What's up, guys? Welcome back. And today we're going to start working on the crouch and prong states or animation, if you want to call it. Okay, so right now we cannot crouch or go prong or anything. So in this video, we're going to start working on that. And also, I do have these animation in my coffee page. It's a lot of animations. If you want to buy them, you can get them. The link will be in the description if you want to get them. Okay, and we have a lot of animation inside of it. So and another thing too, I am working on my first marketplace project. It's not gonna be anything major, but I think some of you guys might like it. So let me show you what it is real quick. And before I get started, there's one thing I need to do. Let's plug this in and let's close this. And it's not completely like finished yet, but I'm working on it. And I will show you the part that I need to finish, and then after that it will be available to buy. So pretty much that's what it is. Okay. So as you can see, the character can search different character. Oh, I already had a file selected. Okay, so I can change my character, change the name. Let's say and then I can set my character. And then right now I can customize it. But I'm still working on other things because right now I don't have I didn't add the one for the vest or the backpack yet. Okay, and as you can see, when it's in the backpack view, I have a light shining over here so that way you can see how the backpack look. And when I go somewhere else, you turn the light. No, I didn't put it on this one. But when I click the main menu, it's gonna turn it off. See, it's turning it off. But all I have to do is just go to these buttons and turn it off, turn the lights off when I click it. Okay, so go back to the main menu, and if I host a game and I have it on the client also, client can switch their own character. You can get purple one. Okay, the client can do its own thing. Now you see, client has his own, he has his own. And if I host the game with the client, now the only part that hasn't been saved yet is the gear. But as you can see, it load the character that I select. And oops, let me move this to the side. Now because I'm using my computer, this is not like two different computers. Whenever I join the game, it will load the purple character because it's getting the file from my computer. Okay, so now if I browse the game, searching, and then when I found a new search session, I can click and I join the session, and boom, now we both in the world. And if I bring the client over here, you can see we can move, it loads the character and everything. So if I now when I turn it on, you will see, when I start the game again, you will see we both have the same character because I'm using the same file. So now if the server create the session, and we're always doing that. I think it's because I have two projects open. That's why it's still in this. But now the client can toggle land, the next the client can search for something. And once the client find it, you can click it. Now it will load the purple guys. Okay? So this is what I have going on now. And once the project is done, I will post a link to this project from the marketplace. and then you guys can purchase it if you want, to customize it and add your own to it. Okay. All right, so let's shut this thing down for now, and let's get back to here. So the first thing I'm going to do, go to your, oh yeah, the first, after you download the file, okay, the animation file. Let's see, show and explore. Go to content, remove this. All you have to do is just drag the after you unzip the file, just drag it here to the content, and you will see, oh wait a minute, what's going on here? Where's my animations? Okay, I have no idea what's going on, but okay, let's go see. Content browser again. It already have something. Let's delete this. Close this. Go to the content. Ooh, what did I do? Let me just do this. Unzip the file. Extract here. And then just copy this in here. Yeah. You may have to close your project and reopen it back up. Yeah, let me close it and open it back up and see what happened. Come on, load up. Yeah, there they go. Now we have the prong animation, prong idle. Now, now it's working prong. That's when it doesn't have a rifle, but when it have a rifle, it's doing this. Left back. We have all the basics animation. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I go about creating my what is this? Oh yeah, we got the crouch reload also, and crouch idle. Okay, so let's get the show on the road. Let's see, animation, blend spaces, and let's go to animation. Let's create a blend space, and I'm going to select my skeleton, and I will say unarm crouch, and open it up. And here, this will be direction -180, +180. Let's put 8. Snap to the grade, and this will be speed. And how fast do you want? Let's say 178, because we don't want the character to be moving fast when it's crouching. And let's say crouch. Oh, do I already had some over there? Let's see what this is. Interesting. I already had some. Okay, right. Crouch idle. No, not right here. Let's open this. Crouch idle. Put it right here, and all the one at the bottom. All the bottom ones. And for the crouch idle. Okay. And walk forward. Put over here now. As you can see now, it's gonna start crouching. It's gonna start working. Okay. Forward left. What is it? Do I have forward right? Nope. forward left, crouch, walk forward right. Here we go. Nope, I need crouch, not this. Crouch forward left. Oh, interesting. I didn't have the forward left in here. Okay. Let me grab it from here. The animation I just imported. So this is the idle left. Oh, why it jumped? You know what? Let me use the one that I just imported because I don't know what's going on to the one I already have. So let me just use the one I just imported. Okay. Let's say AS normal crouch. All right. Idle. Yep. Let's use this one. Let's use these. Walk forward. Left forward. What is it? Why am I using jog? I'm so slow. I'm so slow today. I don't know what's going on today. Okay, walk. Left forward. Right forward. Left. Oh, nope. Right. Back. Left. What's this? Control Z. Left back. Right back. And then back. And then back. What's the idle? I'm missing one right here. Okay, so I can walk forward, left, right. Left forward, right, right back, back, forward, left, left back. Right. Okay, cool. We're in business, baby. All right, so now if we go down to our JC and BP, if we go to an animation graph, let's find locomotion, open this one. So now to go from idle, where is it? Yeah, unarmed to like here, grab it, add a state, crouch, and back. So now if we say unarmed, crouch, I think we also have to go get the crouch variable. If I didn't already add it, let's see, did I? Yeah, I already had it. Okay, and put direction. So now to go from unarmed to crouch, we need to check to see if is crouching and character stand doesn't equal to, because you don't want to have don't want to do that. Let's see. Yeah, character stand doesn't equal to. Yeah, let's say not equal to rifle, because we don't want to go there if we have a rifle in our hands. Okay, so and go back from crouch. Crouching needs to be not Boolean, not true. And let's say this also need to not equal to Y4. I'm just checking something out because I don't think, well, we have to check, find out. Okay, let's go find out. So if we go to the character, oh, I already had a lot of stuff going on. Okay, so if I go to the character, for now I'm just gonna do it. Ew. I'm just gonna do it quick and dirty. Let's say keyboard key C. Yep. And I'm gonna go here. Where are you? Character set is crouching. Let's get a flip flop node. Flip flop. Right now it's not gonna be replicated now. I'm just, no, I don't need to get it. I need to set it. First time you press it, set it to true. Second time, set it to false. Let's go see if I didn't mess up something. See? Aha, here we go. Ew. We need to decrease. Let's see. Character movement. Set max walk speed to 178. That should be fine, right? I'm giving one of the animation trash, but better than nothing. Okay. And I don't like the way it's snapping like that. We can just add a timeline to make, and also we don't need it to be sprinting, you see. So we need to make sure before we do this, we need to make sure he's sprinting. Make sure he's not sprinting. Like I said, we're gonna make sure it goes in, the right way. We're gonna do it the right way, but right now I'm just showing you the quick and dirty version. It's still okay. What I can do here, if it's crouching, we can say, come on, server, stop. What did I have for sprint? Didn't I have one for start sprinting? Stop. Interesting. Let me go to my replicative graph. I know I have one. That's aiming. Sprint. Let me see. Start sprinting. Oh, I never had one for stop. Interesting. Yeah, let's add it. Server. Stop sprinting. One on server. And see. Stop sprinting. Multicast. And here we can just sprinting. Stop sprinting. And if we go back here, we can say server stop sprinting. set it to false. So now what's gonna happen is, I'm hoping, no, it's still doing it. Okay, so let me see. Move this. I want to make sure it's not sprint. It can't be sprint. Let's see. Sprinting. Let's set the sprinting to false. Let's see if that work. To not allow me. Or let me see where I do the crouching. What? Oh Lord Jesus. Input. Where's crouching? That's sprinting. Yeah, where I do the sprinting. Let's make sure. Let's make sure it's not crouching. All right. Let's make sure it's crouching is not true. Let's see if that work. You can only sprint if you're not crouching. If you're crouching, hit the sprint button. Yep, you can sprint. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah. So in the input, where we're doing the sprinting, we make sure we're not crouching. That's the only time, excuse me, that's the only time we can sprint. If we're not aiming or we're not crouching. Okay, like for example, like running, okay, we can run. Now if we crouch, we hit the sprint key, nothing. Now we cannot sprint, okay? And we're also gonna add the turn in place and everything. All right. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, cool. Like I said, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix everything, and if I would do like that, go back up, we will do one. We're gonna make it smooth. So now let's try to make it replicated. Let's make it replicated. So here, we can say server start crouch. That's what I'm gonna call it. One on server, and let's say MC start crouch, and like that, and crouching set to here, MC start crouching. Okay, I'm trying to do the same for server start crouching. On server MC stop crouching. Do the same. Do I need no? I can just call this toggle crouching. All right. Let's go see. Toggle crouching. Because I can check it in there. Right? So in the event graph, I can just delete and say server toggle crouching. If that's on the A, it's true, and on the B, it's false, and then update the speed. Now if I go to the client, do this with the client. Hit C. Here you go. Cool. Cool beans. Let's get 2-player. Let's put they're both flying. Okay, cool. Client here. See? Ugh, dude, move from his butt. Here you go. We need to play with this. Let's see. 200. I think 200 might even be too fast. Yeah, too fast. Let's say 150 because he's not walking. He's just gliding. Oh, what we need to do, because on a blueprint, the crouch, we also need to change the speed here too. Let's try 150. We need to grab all this, move them down to 133. Let's move them down to 133 and see. Because we want the speed to match, right? Yeah, 133 seems to be fine. 133. Catch. Let me see. Set max crouch speed to 133. Dude, stop it. Stop it. 133. I have 2 spawn points, but somehow you still want to spawn over there. Nasty boy. You batty boy. Okay, crouch. Maybe it's the speed is too low for the. Let's do 200. Let me try something. 200, right? And here, let's put 200 and 200. Because it's one of them. Either the speed of the animation is faster than the character's moving or the other way around. So I gotta, mess around. Yeah, because the character is sliding. I'm sure 17 something it's the key here. 175. Cause here it's moving fine here, see? Perfectly fine. Oh, maybe it's not replicating on the client. That's probably what it is. It's not replicating the proper way. I don't know. It's moving good now. Yeah, now it's fine. Here we go. And we also got to make a little minor adjustment to the feet. You see, they're just slapping it. This animation are trash. But there we go. See, now your character is boom, can still grab some stuff. But it's crouching. See, yeah, it's scratching. Yeah, the speed is not updating on the client. See how the client is just like sliding and stuff. Like I said, we're gonna work on it, and I'm gonna work on it, and I'm gonna make sure everything went smooth. Cause this is me doing it. I didn't even did it on my other project. I just started doing it just right now. So we will go. Oh, I'm gonna go over it later on, and in the next video where we do the prawn, we're gonna fix this and also do the prawn the proper way, and also do the jump. And we're gonna make sure when we do this, when we do the jump in, we're gonna make sure that the character is not in the crouching state. Because if it is first, it's gonna go like this and then jump, right? So if it's gonna boom boom and jump, yeah, something like this. But right now, for right now, that's what we have. You know, the crouching is not working, good, but that's what we have. Okay, guys, well, that's it for me for today. If you like the video, leave a like, and if you have any suggestion, something that you want to see, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.